Morning students. Last time we had understood a few exercises from chapter 19. Now let's continue conjunctions. Read the following sentences. First, Rita and Mita are friends. So over here word and is joining two words Rita and Mita. So the word and is a conjunction. Second, will you have tea or coffee? Here word or is joining two words tea or coffee. So that is conjunction. Here we can see that and or are the words that are joining two words. So the words and or they are joining other words, two words, and that is why they are conjunctions. Definition is given. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words, groups of words, and even sentences. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. What do they join? They join words or group of words or groups of words and even sentences. Exercise A. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. So in this exercise we have to find out the conjunctions and we have to underline them. First one. While you were playing, Ravi called you thrice. So here you were playing, Ravi called you thrice. These are two separate sentences and the word while is joining them. So while is a conjunction. So when you were playing, Ravi, he had called you 3 times. That is what it is being said here. Second, although he is thin, Mr. Sharma is very strong. So he is thin and Mr. Sharma is very strong are two separate sentences. The word although is joining them, so it is a conjunction. Here what they have said, that though he is thin, he is very strong. Who? Mr. Sharma. Third, I'll stop crying if you give me my bag. I'll stop crying, you give me my bag. These are two separate sentences joined by the word if, and so if is a conjunction. What is being said? That I will not cry if you give me means if you return my bag to me. 4. He won the first prize because he had worked hard for it. He won the first prize. He had worked hard for it. These are the two sentences and the word because joins them and so it's a conjunction. What is being said? That he means some boy, he was working very hard and that is why he won the first prize. Daddy is going to the market and I am going with him. Daddy is going to the market is one sentence. I am going with him is another sentence. The word and joins them and so it's a conjunction. What is being said? That daddy is going to the market. He is going to market and so I am also going with him. Exercise B. Join the sentences using conjunctions. We have to use the conjunctions and we have to join the sentences. First one, Jeet is young, Jeet is wise. So we can write it as Jeet is young and wise. The words Jeet is, they are repeated in both the sentences and so we don't need to write them twice when we join those two sentences. So Jeet is young and he is also wise. Second, she is tired. She will not go to the party. She is very tired. So she is not going to go to the party. She is tired, so she will not go to the party. Over here, we have joined these two sentences with the conjunction so. The word, the conjunction so is showing reason. Why is she not going to go to the party? Because she is tired. Third, Mudit cannot go to school today. Mudit is unwell. Mudit cannot go to school today because he is unwell. Over here also, see the first sentence that Mudit cannot go to the school today and the second sentence is Mudit is unwell. So the second sentence is the reason for the first sentence. It is showing the reason. That's why we have used conjunction because. 4. Do you want a glass of milk? Do you want a glass of apple juice? Do you want a glass of milk or apple juice? Here we are joining these two sentences with the conjunction or, because we are offering a choice. We are giving a choice to the person. That is why we have joined it with the conjunction or. And we have not repeated the words which are same in both the sentences, means we have not written the same words twice. Do you want a glass of? These words are there in both the sentences. 5. Give me your book, give me your notebook. Give me your book and notebook. We want the book and notebook both. And so we have joined with the conjunction and. Here also we have not repeated the words which are same in both the sentences. Which are those words? Give me your. That is, those words are same. And that is why we have not repeated, means we have not written those words twice. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions given in the box. From the box we have to select the conjunctions for the blanks. So the conjunctions given in box are either or, neither nor, though, yet and as. First one, her grandmother cannot see properly as she is very old. See over here, her grandmother cannot see properly is first sentence. She is very old is the second sentence. And second sentence is the reason for the first sentence. That grandma is very old and that is why she cannot see properly. So we are going to use the conjunction as. Either sit silently or leave the class. Here we are giving two options, that either you may sit silently or you may leave the class. That is why we will use the conjunction either or. Third, though he is very poor, yet he is honest. So over here the word but is written. Instead of that, the answer should be yet. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. He is poor, but still he is honest. Neither I am going, nor I will let you go. Means here we are saying that both of the things are not going to happen. Neither I am going means I will not go, nor I will let you go means I will not allow you also to go. So that's why we have used the conjunction neither nor, because both the possibilities are not going to happen, means both the options are not there. Learn new words, read these words: careful, kingdom, relationship, jealousy, punishment, lovable, friendship, wooden, musical. In the above words, the underlined letters are suffixes. Whichever letters are underlined, they are suffixes. A letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to make another word is called a suffix. When we add a letter or group of letters at the end of a word to create a new word, that is suffix. For example, adding the suffix ly to the adjective quick. For example, if the word quick is there and if we add the letters ly at the end of that word, it turns into the adverb quickly. It becomes a new word. So ly is suffix in that word. Now complete these sentences by adding suitable suffixes to the words given in brackets. Make necessary changes. Words are given to us in the bracket and we have to add suffix. Create the proper word for the blanks. First one, the shop assistant was so blanks that I'll go there again. Help, the word help is given. What is the sentence? Shop assistant was so blanks that I want to go there again. So the word should be helpful. Shop assistant was helpful and that's why I want to go there again. Second, Dorothy is a girl of great blanks. Wise is given, the word will be wisdom. Means Dorothy is very wise. She is a girl of great wisdom. Third, I really like this sofa. It's extremely, the word given is comfort and we will make a new word, that is comfortable. I really like the sofa because the sofa is very comfortable. 4. There is much blanks in his health. The word given is improve. We will add the suffix ment. The word will become improvement. There is much improvement in his health. 5. The team that he supported was able to win the championship. The team which he means some boy supported, that team won the championship. 6. The road was too narrow, so they had to blanks it. The word given is wide and the new word that we are going to make is widen. We have added suffix en. The road was very narrow and so they had to widen it. Dictionary. Find and write the meanings of the following words and also write the part of speech of each word. So few words are given, we have to write which part of speech that word is and then we have to write meaning of that word from the dictionary. First one, honorable. Honorable is an adjective, means respectable. Someone who deserves respect is honorable. Second, stern is an adjective, means serious and often disapproving. If someone is very serious and they do not approve whatever you say, means they are stern. Third, crowded. Crowded is an adjective, means having a lot of people. If at some place there are lots and lots of people, means that place is crowded. 4. Darted. Darted is verb, means to move rapidly in one direction. In any one direction, if something moves very quickly and very suddenly, that means that is darted. 5. Resolved. Resolved is an adjective, means determined. When you have decided that you want to do this, means you have resolved. 6. Kingdom. Kingdom is a noun, means a country ruled by a king or queen. 7. Puzzled. Puzzled is an adjective, means confused. 8. Witness. Witness is a noun, means a person who sees something happen and is able to describe it to other people. If something happens and some person is over there, that person sees whatever has happened and is able to tell that to other people, then that person is a witness. Read these words aloud. You have to read these words, means when after I speak the words, then you have to repeat. Ventriloquist, ventriloquist. Imitate, imitate. Balloonist, balloonist. Amuse, amuse. Anxiously, anxiously. Oral question answers question 1. Who is a ventriloquist? Answer. A ventriloquist is a person who can speak without moving his or her lips and make it look as if his her voice is coming from somewhere else. So ventriloquist is a person who can speak without moving his mouth or lips, his or her mouth or lips, and whoever is over there will feel that the ventriloquist who is speaking is not actually speaking and the voice is coming from somewhere else. Read and answer question 1. Why did the Oz feel that? A. The scarecrow did not need brains. The Oz felt in the chapter that scarecrow, he should not get the brains. Why? Answer. He was learning something every day. Experience was the only thing that would bring knowledge. So according to Oz, Scarecrow was learning every day something new and that experience only could bring knowledge to him. He explained in the chapter, Oz explained to the Scarecrow that even small baby has a brain but it does not have much knowledge and so it is of no use. B. The lion had plenty of courage. So why did the Oz feel that lion already had lots of courage? Answer. He had enough courage. All he needed was confidence in himself. So the Oz felt that lion was already having lots and lots of courage. But lion was not having enough confidence. So he should get enough confidence in himself. C. The Tin Woodman was wrong to want a heart. Why did the Oz think that Tin Woodman, he was thinking wrong and he was wishing for a wrong thing. He should not wish to have a heart. Why was it so? Answer. It made many people unhappy, especially when the heart broke. So the Oz thought that Tin Woodman is not having a heart and he is very lucky because usually Heart makes people unhappy means when the heart is broke, when you are hurt emotionally, it makes you unhappy. Question number 2. Complete the description of the witches. So description of the witches is given and we have to fill up the blanks. The witches were really able to do wonderful things. The witches had magical power. They were able to do great things with that. There were 4 of them. Totally 4 witches were there. They ruled the people who lived in the north, south, east and west. So there were 4 witches, witch of north, witch of south, witch of east and witch of west. Fortunately, means luckily, the witches of the north and south were good. Those 2 witches were good. They would do no harm, they would not harm anyone. The witches of the east and west were terribly wicked. The witches of east and west were very bad. They would harm others. They would be very bad to others. We are keeping till here. I hope you have understood the exercises and the question answers I explained. Thank you.